Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter Settings and go to Display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change between light and dark mode and schedule your dark mode. Then we can change brightness level of the display, turn on automatic brightness and sunlight mode. Next, we can enable anti-flicker, reading mode, that we can also schedule. We can change color scheme and refresh rate between 90 Hz and 60 Hz. Then we can change text size, manage when device is in VR between reduce blur and reduce flicker, select full screen mode for apps, and enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.